And hello guys, my name is Seja. Welcome back to another video. For today video guys, maglalaro tayo ng Squid Game 2. Dito Squid Game 1. Spring 2. Joy. Ako pa ba kung pa sa Spring jump. Jump spring. AJ Smug. Ano tayo guys? AJ Smug. Kung sino, nakita nyo ba yun? Kita nyo ba to? AJ Smug. Kung kita nyo, wala tayong camera ngayon. Cellphone lang yung pinagbibideo ko eh. Cellphone lang kasi gamit ko pang video eh. Hindi mo idula. So guys, Filipino ba dito? Filipino na naman talaga eh. I think magkakaguluhan tayo dito mamaya guys. Pag nakatapos na yung lahat na game, magkakaguluhan na naman. 0 wins pa nga tayo. Bago lang ako manglaro dito, paano yung nangyari? Sprint jump.
Told you it was impossible. You need to throw harder. George, you have a go.
Slash Eden 3. Sorry. Okay.
You're just not throwing it right. You need to throw it hard.
Slash Eden.
Watch out!
So guys.
The boomerang has thrown all of that to Peppa. What was that?
Naku, hindi pa tayo.
Oh, yes.
Naku, mamaya natin.
Throw it hard and then it comes back.
Naku po, gumalaw ako.
Mr. Pig. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, throw!
Wala, parang ako nang mauna ako.
So, when does it come back?
Blue light.
Keep a good lookout, kids. That boomerang could be
Let's
anywhere.
go. Slash.
I think we might have found it. Hello, this is Mr. Wallaby. He
Dance.
is the next door neighbor. Hi, Mr. Wallaby. I was.
Ay, hanap ako tayo mag-slash Eden's 1. Okay.
Well, there's no worries there, mate.
I think hindi ako admin. Light off.
Mr. Wallaby is a very nice man.
Oh, parang magkakaguluhan tayo dito, guys. Yung nakita ko.
Boomerang, you need to throw it.
Ay, wag tayo sa baba. Wag tayo sa taas. Sa baba. Sa taas tayo, guys. Sa taas. Naku po, ito na nga pala. Pag night.
Here she comes.
Naku po.
Oh,
Naku
no.
po.
The boomerang has broken another window.
No! Huwag niyo akong patayin. Makang awa niyo naman sa akin. Marami pa tayo. Papatayin natin yung sarili natin. Huwag natin patayin, guys.
That's what neighbors are for.
Bakit tayo nagre-record dun?
You need to throw the boomerang more upright, like this. It's good. It's a good throw.
Ano? Asan ba yun? Uy, asan na kayo? Ito, ayos to ah. Diyan ka pa talaga nagtatago ah. Naku po, pinapatay na yun lang. Dito lang ako, basta kayo magkakaguluhan na kayo. Wala akong damay dyan. Sige, palo kayo ni Papa. Palo kayo ni Papa ha. Peppa game.
I loved having you stay, Peppa. We loved it too.
Para kasi natin itong